What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. In today's video I will be installing a unit from Sunber here. Today we'll be installing this pre-cut glueless body wave wig. This wig is their new airlace wig, which allows your head to breathe because of how it is made. It has those silicone strap that allows air to pass through the wig, which is way more comfortable. Also, the wig comes pre-cut, so it is super fast to install and also very easy for the beginners. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. So this is the package our wig came in, and we also received some small gifts in our package. First thing I'll be doing is putting a wig cap on. I have my hair braided back. I feel like I want to make some baby hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make some edges for our wig. I really like to put edge on my closure unit because it gives it a really nice look when you pull your wig back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make some edges, put a wig cap on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Cream of Nature edge control. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on. I really love this wig cap that they sent for us. It is super thin. It is more like a pantyhose rather than a wig cap. It is super thin and I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to the lace. Then we put our wig on. Now that we put it on, the lace comes pre-cut already, but I might have to cut a little bit more off of it, but this is it. Super pretty, loving the hairline. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. I think I might need to cut a little bit off of it, but this is it. I'm loving the hairline. It is giving super pretty, super natural. This is it. Down a little bit. I feel like it's giving such a pretty vibes. So I don't know. I thought I wanted to cut off some of the lace, but I don't think I want to. Let's see. I thought I wanted to cut some of it off, but it is giving such a pretty vibe. So I might just make some swoops at the side to literally just cover the ends. Okay, so this is what we're doing. So I will be using my Latte Body Mousse. Love how pretty it looks. Listen, it is giving. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, but this is what the hairline looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down and then we finish styling our wig. They did send a melting band for us. Let's tie this down. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my BioSilk Silk Therapy. so this is the finished look. This is it. What I love about this unit is that it is super fast to install. It is very convenient for those who prefer not to apply glue to their unit. I know a lot of people prefer glueless units. And also it is 100% beginner friendly. The unit comes pre-cut, the unit comes pre-plucked, and the strap is already attached. It is 100% beginner friendly, grab and go 5-minute install. And then it gives out this really pretty natural look. And I love it. Definitely give this unit a 10 out of 10. Like, I love it. Like, it's one of those glueless units that you immediately fall in love with. I definitely love it. This is it. Super, super soft, super bouncy. This is it. I will be linking this unit down below for anyone who want to purchase this unit. Let me know how you feel about this unit in the comment section. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.